Mama, look my foot.
What's that?
Do it with your ma.
It will reach.
Now it can reach.
Ano ito, Maida? Ano nga letters? Can you read the letters on it?
Okay. B L E B L E S S.
Oh. How will you read that? B-L-E-S. Ano man tiya?
Butterfly.
Bless. With, ano man ini? Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Who gave it to you, man?
Elder Puno.
Who is Elder Puno?
Elder Puno mean Maui girl.
Elder Puno means Maui girl.
Yeah, he always think me that you were the girl in the beauty
Doing alright.
And he king Maui over like
Oh, why does Elder Puno calls you Maui girl, man?
because you like Maui.
He likes Maui? Mm. No. Don't put it in your mouth, ala.
Hmm.
Don't lost it, ha? Don't lost it, ha? Ha?
Hmm.